guys, this is today we're going to change the right hand top mounting, engine mounting for Toyota Camry 2007 ACV 40. So this is going to be a quick fix. Alright, okay, what we have here is I just got this because I've checked the other three mounting, the left, right and the front, they are all still good. So only this I just got this. I'm going to replace this, and you can look at the current one, it's already broken, see. So and it's a very easy fix. So what we're going to do is I'll release this, and then I'm going to release this, and after that we're going to torque it to 47 foot-pound. Okay, so now we're going to replace this thing, right? Okay. First, let's loosen this first. Okay. Okay. Second one, this is the longer one. This is quite short, right? Longer one is the middle. Okay, now let's wiggle it out. Okay, just simple as that. And you can see this one, it's gone. So this is about maybe 4.5 years, and this was by the brand called Shimako. Okay, so let's replace a new one. And if you see a new one is supposed to be solid, so you don't really, it's not easily you can push this. Okay, so now let's replace this in, align it. Okay, let's align it. Okay, now after fitting this, we shall insert this first without locking this. Right, let's align this. Let's turn this in first. We don't tighten it all. Okay, now next is let's align this. Let's align this and use a screwdriver basically just to adjust, you know. That fits. Okay. Just move it a little, give it some pull, and it should be all good. Okay, so now we shall just tighten it. We're going to tighten it, then we'll torque to 47. Same goes to this, and we will tighten this as well. Okay. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to torque this to 47 foot-pound. Okay, now we're going to torque this to 47 foot-pound. Okay, now this will torque to 47 foot-pound. Okay, and get this this is a bit too huge for this. Okay. Alright. So that's it. That's it. We have fixed this. Everything is good, neat, tidy, and well, hope you guys can share a little bit of this with you guys. Okay, bye. Okay guys, see you guys in the next one. Right, bye.